Hey everyone, welcome back to another BuddyPress plugin tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to keep your BuddyPress community clean, safe and respectful using the BuddyPress Profanity plugin. This plugin lets you filter and replace inappropriate words in activity updates, activity comment, private messages and more. Perfect for maintaining community standard and creating a more welcoming space for everyone. Once you have installed the plugin, go to WP Plugins and click on BuddyPress Profanity. Then click on General Setting. Here is what you can do in this setting. Create your own list of banned or censored words. Import a pre-made list of bad words in just one click. Or you can enter your own. Next, you can choose where the filter applies, activities, comments or private messages. It also gives you advanced filter control. Enable or disable case sensitivity. Strict filtering to catch words even when users try to hide them inside other words. Then click on Save Changes. Now let's see how it works in the front end. Let's say profanity is censor word. Then if we write profanity and post update, this is how it will censor the profanity word. This way, every part of your community from public posts to private DMs stays free of profanity and unwanted content. With BuddyPress Profanity, you get full content control, a more secure, respectful environment, a clean community experience always. You can try the live demo or grab the plugin right now. It's fully tested and works smoothly with your favorite themes. Thanks for watching.